Alfa Romeo unveiled the new 33 Stradale, a highly limited coach-built supercar designed to summon the storied brand's legendary history. A handsome Italian powerhouse, the car can now be seen from multiple angles. As with its source of inspiration sold in the late 1960s, when only 18 were made, the new 33 Stradale has a mid-engined layout. The gorgeous retro-flavored body is going to be handcrafted by the coach builders at Carrozzeria Touring Superleggera. That makes it the second Alfa in recent times to get a completely bespoke coach-built body, after last year's Giulia SWB Zagato. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Here you'll find all the latest news and information about automotive. We are dedicated to bringing you the most up-to-date information on new models and the latest advancements in automotive technology. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload.
Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale is the bridge between the past and the future. It is the bridge between time and eternity. The first fuoriserie since 56 years. How to be at the right level. This was our main question. 3 elements. First, 33 is track, but Stradale means road. We wanted to develop, thanks to our suspension with semi-virtual steering, our landmark, to the flexibility of the H-frame chassis with aluminum, something capable of delivering unbelievable fun on everyday use, and of course, the best of driving dynamics on track. The second element is beauty. Beauty is a function of proportions and simplicity. So we wanted to offer the technical solutions capable of delivering those proportions and those performances. So we worked on the frame, for instance, of the doors, carbon and aluminum, lightweight materials with a specific development. The windows, which are formed with a own process. And of course, all of the openings, the dihedral doors, the cofanghi, with a specifically developed technical solutions and hinges. The third element is uniqueness. Each single car is homologated with a single type approval. That means that we can keep the vehicle type, the 33, decided with the bottega, with our customers. We want to keep, of course, the Alfa Romeo ZAR, our code, that's ours. And then each customer can choose the last 8 digits. So each single vehicle identification number will be unique and personal. So a car that is unique, uniquely beautiful, uniquely performant. It speaks Italian. It has it embedded. It speaks Italian to me, to you, to all of us.
huge satisfaction and proudness that we bring today the new Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale to life. We did it for Alfa Romeo, for all the Alfisti around the world, for the people who work in this amazing brand, but also for all those who were here before us. And we have done it with respect, simplicity, and what we call in Alfa Romeo, bellezza necessaria. Respect because we ask our designers to get inspiration from the iconicity of the 1967 33 Stradale. Simplicity because we believe that we can say a lot of things with just a few lines. And bellezza necessaria, that means design with a purpose. In Alfa Romeo, always functionality and beauty go hand in hand. When we talk about bellezza necessaria in Alfa Romeo, we talk about the combination between the function and the beauty. Take as an example the headlamp, a part of the obvious function, lighting. It allows the air to go into the cooling system. The overall mass of the 33 Stradale has been conceived by putting strength into the front wheel, but especially on the rear muzzle, where the power is delivered. As you can imagine, for the Alfa Romeo design team and for myself, to design this car has been like a dream come true. And we will continue because we love dreaming.